This is the most upgraded and remodeled home in the Port Marin tract of Talega. Hi, I'm Kelly LeClaire with Pacific Sotheby's International Realty. Let's check out the fabulous inside of 33 Via Regalo. This home is a wonderful example of on-trend style, remodeled in the last 6 months with new built-in cabinetry, fabulous lighting, and this spectacular open floor plan with new kitchen. The owners recently finished updating this space with new cabinets, quartz countertops, marble backsplash, and check out this chandelier. This brand new backyard has everything you need to enjoy the great weather here in Orange County. There's seating around the bar for 10 people. There's a beer tap with space for 2 kegs. Brand new grill, storage. There's even a spot to house your smoker, all among brand new landscaping. There's lots of space on the artificial turf and a cozy courtyard. This is a 5-bedroom home with 1 downstairs. Upstairs, the master is incredible with a practically new all-white modern master bathroom with new tiled shower, new custom cabinetry, modern mosaic cement tile floors, and a bubble glass chandelier. 3 other spacious bedrooms complete the top floor, with 1 currently used as an office. The full bathroom has also been updated with a modern look. Via Regalo is the center of a great area of Talega, near the Tierra Grande Pool, Barn Park, and trails. Talega offers many amenities, including pools, events, and a village center. Come enjoy the beach lifestyle in San Clemente and fall in love with this remodeled beauty. Contact me at 949-412-6551 for a private showing.